Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys the easiest way in which you can reset your WordPress website for free. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WordPress website. Once you're there, you click on plugins, after which you click on add new. So guys, we are going to be using this free plugin called WP Reset. Once you get the plugin, you simply need to install it. So this is it here. Click on install now. Once installation is complete, we'll activate it. So after which you scroll down and you click on what tools. After that you click on WP Reset. So guys, this is the free version, but if you want to get the premium version, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below where you can actually purchase it. So we'll start by clicking on what on tools. So you scroll down and you can decide to reset your theme. That's the theme option. Click on reset. Okay, you scroll down, you can decide to delete also your local database, but I'm going to leave it in that manner. So for the premium version, you can also decide to delete your various posts, as you can see, for the premium version, and also the widget for the premium version. Scroll down and to delete your theme, so I'm going to click on delete themes. All okay, all the 4 themes have been deleted. After that, I'll scroll down. You can also decide to delete your plugins, but I'm going to leave it in that manner. It depends on you if you want to delete them. So we scroll down, you can see also, scroll down. So guys, you can also decide to delete your HT access file if you want, but I'm going to leave it like that. So once I'm done with that, I'll click on what reset. I'll scroll down. So you can see you can also reset your active themes and the active plugins, but I'll leave it in that manner. So it's only for it's available for the premium version. So I'll simply click here, reset. So I'll click on reset site. So guys, we are just resetting our WordPress website, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.